Buckle up, space enthusiasts. 2025 is shaping up to be an electrifying year for space exploration. With a flurry of moon missions, groundbreaking technological advancements, and thrilling scientific discoveries, the cosmos is calling, and humanity is ready to answer. Let's dive into a year that promises to be out of this world. From robotic moon landers to asteroid sampling missions, private space stations, and more, this is the ultimate guide to the wonders of 2025 in space. First, let's talk about the moon, the celestial body that has fascinated us for millennia. January 2025 kicks off with a bang as Firefly's Blue Ghost lunar lander takes flight aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9. Its mission? To land in the Mare Crisium impact basin and conduct groundbreaking science over 60 days. And it's not flying solo. Sharing the rocket ride is Japan's Hakuto mission 2 via space. This lander, with its adorable mini rover named Tenacious, is taking the scenic route to the moon, aiming for Mare Frigoris in a few months. Imagine the technology and coordination it takes to make this happen. It's like a cosmic carpool. But wait, there's more. Intuitive Machines is back with IM-2, targeting the Shackleton connecting ridge at the lunar South Pole. This mission isn't just about exploration, it's hunting for water and paving the way for future lunar bases. IM-2 carries an impressive lineup of rovers and hoppers from around the globe, showcasing true international collaboration. As the International Space Station prepares for its sunset, private companies are stepping into the spotlight. VAST, a California-based startup, is making waves with its Haven 1 space station. Scheduled for an August launch, Haven 1 will host a 4-person crew for up to 30 days. Think of it as the Airbnb of space. This marks a pivotal moment in human spaceflight, a stepping stone toward larger, modular stations like Haven 2. The era of commercial low Earth orbit stations is here, and it's redefining how we live and work in space. Juno, the beloved NASA spacecraft that has been unraveling Jupiter's secrets since 2016, is nearing its final chapter. Scheduled to deorbit in September, Juno will descend into Jupiter's atmosphere, ending its mission with a fiery goodbye. Think about it, Juno has captured stunning images of Jupiter's swirling storms and made close passes by its moons, including volcanic Io. Its legacy will inspire future missions to the gas giants and beyond. Next, let's talk about SPHEREx, NASA's ambitious new space observatory. Scheduled for a February launch, this car-sized spacecraft will map the entire sky in near-infrared light. Over 450 million galaxies and 100 million stars will be charted in stunning 3D detail. It's like giving the universe a CAT scan. SPHEREx will help us understand the origins of the universe, the evolution of galaxies, and even the icy building blocks of planets. This mission is a cosmic treasure hunt, and we're all invited. China is on a roll with its Tianwen-2 mission. Launching in May, it's set to visit the near-Earth asteroid Kamoa. What's fascinating is the dual sampling approach. The spacecraft will deploy advanced technologies to collect samples and return them to Earth by 2026. But Tianwen-2 isn't stopping there. After delivering its samples, the spacecraft will embark on an extended journey to study a main-belt comet. Imagine the insights this could provide about the building blocks of our solar system. Finally, let's explore India's Gaganyaan program. With a crewed mission planned for 2026, 2025 will see critical test flights. Picture this, a humanoid robot named Vaya Mitra on board the uncrewed G1 flight, representing a major step toward human spaceflight independence for India. Meanwhile, new rockets are set to debut worldwide, including Rocket Lab's Neutron and China's Zhuke-3. Add in flybys by missions like Lucy and Juice, and you've got a year packed with scientific and technological milestones. From lunar landings to asteroid sampling, private space stations, and more, 2025 is a year of cosmic milestones. These missions reflect the unyielding human spirit to explore, innovate, and reach for the stars. So, whether you're a space enthusiast, a dreamer, or simply curious about the universe, 2025 has something for everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Here's to a year filled with wonder, discovery, and the limitless possibilities of space exploration.